Hi, my name's Cherie from Bancorp Insurance, and I want to talk to you about something I've seen in the news recently. We have seen instances of companies having data breaches or having company information stolen, or maybe a third party that they work with, they're compromised, and then that compromises them. Something that not a lot of people know about, but you probably should, especially if you're a business owner and you collect anything that would be considered personable, identifiable information, such as social securities, dates of birth, credit card information, banking information, any information on employee records or driver's licenses are also considered personal identifiable information. You should think about cyber liability insurance. So cyber insurance is going to make sure that well, it's not going to stop the loss, unfortunately. Normally what happens is the loss happens and then we contact cyber liability insurance to help clean up after what's happened. Sometimes your cyber liability insurance company can help you when you're in the midst of a cyber crime. And cyber crime can be something that's socially created. You might think of that sneaky email that your employee got and then they clicked on, and then malware got on their computer, and suddenly you've got a breach, or you can't access your content or your information, and all of your systems are shut down, right? Because of that social engineered problem. Your insurance company can actually help bring in the correct professionals to get all of that taken care of. What's becoming more popular is ransomware as well. That's where they'll hold your company data for ransom. They'll say, you have to pay us $50,000 and then we'll give this back to you. And you might pay it the first time. Maybe it's a smaller amount, maybe it's only $1,000. You might pay it the first time and they'll say, okay, we'll leave you alone. And then the next month they come back. So those type of crimes that are happening digitally, having a little bit of protection on the back end, that cyber liability insurance can again help in the midst of it. They can help with professionals to get you out of a jam there, but they can also help with the cost of telling the individuals who you might have compromised their information. I think all of us have gotten the email or the letter that says, sorry, your information was compromised because you shopped at a location that had compromised information. Or you could have got the letter saying, sorry, we're a third-party vendor, we access your computer and our system was compromised. It wasn't even you, it was a third-party vendor you might use. Insurance can help with that. And they say it's around $204 per individual record lost. So if you're thinking you've got 5,000 records, times that by $204, you're talking about a lot of costs that maybe insurance can help you pay to not only notify your customers, but also mediate some of the press and other things that might be wrong. And you might be thinking, well, yeah, but I don't take that many payments or things like that. A lot of times cyber liability can be added pretty cheaply, and then you at least have the coverage. So call Bancorp Insurance at 1-800-452-6826 or visit us online to get a quote or see if you can add it to your current coverage.